Getting involved with my local section actually changed the trajectory of my career. So every section meeting, we start off with we welcome everybody in. There's always food, drinks available. We start the section meetings off typically with a raffle. So we have prizes and stuff to give away.
I've got 2 color tickets. The white are gonna be for table raffles. It's basically, you get up,
It's just an outstanding opportunity for welders of all different types, genres, to come together, meet, exchange. It's an excellent opportunity for young welders and students to come out and meet the movers and shakers in the industry, the employers in the industry. Networking is outstanding at these events.
One thing, I try to get a lot of students involved so that you guys understand the value of what we do.
This resource wasn't available when I was in high school. When I was in high school learning how to weld, we didn't have AWS section meetings. We didn't have any of this stuff. So I mean, the fact that I can kind of bring some of my connections in to do technical demonstrations, technical talks, plant tours, and to be able to show the next generation of welders what's actually out there. I think it's great just to be a resource for the next generation of welders, just like, a lot of my mentors have been for me.
I'd say it was pretty valuable. It definitely opened my eyes up to a side of the industry I wasn't aware existed.
It's been a great resource for me to meet people in the industry, to find leads on jobs. I actually just got kind of quasi job offer tonight, which is really cool.
Yeah, my instructor, Juan, recommended it. He's like, you guys should come out, it's awesome. So I did, and it was great. So I'm sure I'll be back.
I think it's important for professionals to get involved because we need to pass this information on to the next generation of welders. I think it's kind of a duty and a responsibility that we have. We're to train the next generation. We're currently hurting for more welders, so the more people we can bring in and show them the other really cool sides of welding, I think the better off the industry is going to be, the better off America is going to be.